Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So it seems like we got our Roundhill dividends declared a day early. So let's go over those. From what I saw from the email that I glanced over, they looked pretty good. So, by the way, today we're going to actually have a twofer in terms of videos. We have a fund manager coming on from a place called Opal Capital, which I really don't know a lot about and haven't researched a lot. Surprise. They just reached out very recently within like the last week. So the interview, I'm probably just going to let them talk for most of it. I'll ask some basic questions like what their investing philosophy is and stuff like that. And I'll just let them talk to us and introduce uh, their funds and their product to us as an audience. And it should be good. So, and I also have the wheel people. I believe it's called Peerless ETFs. They're coming on actually next week. We were going to do them today, but they need a little more time to have like a fact sheet together and whatnot. Okay, so here are the dividends for Roundhill here. Just trying to pull this up in another window. I think because of 4th of July, we're like a day early. Welcome. Okay, so let me share the screen over here. So the dividends that we have for XDTE, we have 21.5 cents. For QDTE, 19.7 cents. So roughly 20 cents averaging between the two. So now let's plug them into the spreadsheet. Let's see what I got over here. Uh-oh, something's froze up on me. Oh, there we go. Okay, so our favorite part of the video, let's do the spreadsheet analysis. Let me know if you all can see that, by the way. Oh, here we go. Oh, that took me to the website. They changed the formatting with the email, it looks like. I used to be able to open it in another window, but now it takes me to the website itself. Okay, so let's do this. Let's share this spreadsheet over here. And of course, my phone's going to ring right now. I will be ignoring that though. Okay. All right. So here we go. Here's the spreadsheet. Let me zoom in so you all can see it. Zoom in nice and big. Okay. Let me create another line over here. Well, I'm going to actually have to create other space down here. This is, these weeks are going by fast, aren't they? Let's see what we got over here. Let me get all of this mess over here, which I'll probably never look at. Get all this mess. Oh, there's ulti. Why ulti no go up? Right. Okay, let me make sure. Sorry about the. I knew I screwed up over here. Sorry about the delays over here. Okay. Cut. We'll create a few more lines over here. There we go. Okay, now we're in business. This is advanced spreadsheet class. Cutting and pasting, one of the most advanced yet basic features. Okay, let me do this. Move this over here. And then we'll be in business here in just a second. Now we're going to do this one. Move this bad boy one more. We already know the answer to this. It's actually, oh no, it's, oh, next week it'll be 4. Never mind. Okay, let me center this bad boy over here. Let me center this over here. Okay, so it's, oops, it's 5 and 5. Okay, so dividends, and I have like an average going here. So let me look again for XDTE since I didn't memorize it. Where are we? Oh, I closed it out. I know they were averaging 20 cents. Okay, so XDTE is 0.21. Let me just like copy and paste it. That works. I like copying and pasting. So XDTE is 21.5 cents. I knew that would look kind of crappy. me just do this over here. You know what? I'll just put it here. Put it here, unbold it. 10. Sorry, I'm kind of OCD about formatting. Oh, it is exactly 21.5. How about that? Okay, so multiplying this across this threshold, this would be on a weekly, or excuse me, monthly, 93 cents. Annually, this would be 11.18. Let me check the share price. So let's see, XDTE. 52.76. So we came back a little bit. Okay, 50. Oh, we're fluctuating in real time. Let me just go with what we were at yesterday. What did we close at yesterday? I guess it was 52. Well, now I'll go with today because it's still 2 cents higher. That'll be my 2 cents I'll throw in. Okay, 52.73. So we dropped more from last week, 52.73. So that's like another 16 cents. Let me do this one. Okay, and then this one off of 100,000. If we were buying at this price, it would get us 6 more shares, $408 a week, and it would be $21,204.92 per year on $100,000. Okay, now we want to figure out this bad boy over here. So it's going to be, let me do something real quick over here. Let's see. That was, what did I do now? We started at 53.10. Oh, it's actually, it's 53.10 minus 52.73. That's 37 cents. So we only moved like actually 1 cent net and net. How about that? Okay, so that's 0.7% that the share price has dropped. So that's 37 cents total that the share price has dropped. But we are getting at this point in cumulative dividends $3.08. So we're coming out ahead for sure. So that's XDTE. Now let's do QDTE. Check comments really quick. Oh, there's Dissector. Haven't seen you in a couple of days. A wise man named Coach once said, you start capitalizing Coach, I've noticed. You like my new channel name, by the way? I know you're a big dividend fan, so I had to change it. You know, I had to change things up. I'm getting surpassed by morons on here. So um, you're on vacation. I thought you were always on vacation. There's that one song, I'm always on vacation when I love my occupation. All right, so let's see. Let's do Dissector's favorite fund here, QDTE. Not his favorite as Yield Max, but oh, actually, here's a big fan of Roundhill right here, Mr. Cardona. Do you like the channel name change, by the way? Most people have liked it so far. Okay, let's do the. Oh no, look who's on. Part of the Do Better videos is having this prep crap done. Prep is overrated. Did you watch the debate? Your boy Biden, he prepped for like 2 weeks and he still sucked. Preparation is overrated. He had like 14 people or 16 people and he still sucked. I like dividends, I like REIT income, but it also doesn't compound as fast. True. I know a little bit about REITs. My true serenity. Oh, he loves the channel name change. So from a polling standpoint, most people love the channel name change, so majority rules. Okay, back to QDTE. Since this is Hoffman's favorite fund, let's make sure we get this accurate. So QDTE, the dividend is at least I'm doing better than Biden, right? Okay, QDTE. Well, that doesn't say much. I mean, we're like what 60 years apart. No, not that much. Okay, let's do this. Formatting. Okay, so see here, see Hoffman doesn't think I prepare, but see all these really advanced built-in formulas that I have in the spreadsheet? I would call that preparation. Let me zoom in nice and big so the older folks can see. I'm just kidding. I knew that joke was gonna slip off the tongue sooner or later. That's a joke, though. I mean, I know most people watch on a phone, so they need to be able to see. Okay, let's see here. So QDTE is, I'm using Yahoo Finance, but I'm not showing you all on the screen. QDTE is trading at 45.65. Oh, it started dropping since I started the video. Let's see. 45.65 is going to be over here. So we dropped 5 cents. Let's see. Where is my, oh, here we go. Okay. So 22.46. Let's figure this out over here. Okay, cumulative. How much have we fluctuated here? So it's 46.35 minus 45.65. 46.35 minus 45.65. 70 cents. So that's right. It's another 5 cents. I could just add that too. Multiple ways to skin a cat, as they say. Okay, 70 cents out of the original 46.35 is 1.51%. So for 1.51% share price drop, we have like a 6% in cumulative dividend. And I did a formula here that I won't even pretend to remember. And as you can see, I haven't even been updating it. I'm like 5 weeks behind. Just when I was starting to look like there was some hope. Anyway, once I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'll be a serious channel. Let's see here. Okay, so it's 3.97 in dividends for 70 cents and share price depreciation or NAV erosion. Why is this cell gray? Why is the rum always gone? uh, Anyone know what that's from? Okay, so we would get 2 more shares, 431. Ooh, we dropped like almost in half. But what I like to do is average this out. So weekly, or excuse me, annually, it would be $22,459.56, which is chump change to Hoffman. Am I kidding? I do have a sense of humor after all. Let's see here. What do we have? Biden is a goner. Uh, you the man, coach. Oh, thank you, thank you. Vu. You know, it's funny. I still have some QYLD, but I don't really talk about it. Me. QDT paid lower this week. If they would pay 35 cents, the story would be different. Formulas are amazing. Oh, I thought he was talking about me. Should I invest in income funds? Well, you're not a new investor. You're a lot more experienced as an investor than your peers. But for like a new investor, I think a good idea is like wheeling into growth stocks. So as you all know, I'm bulk growth investor. But when I cover like how amazing my 401k has done, or my first 401k, um, when I cover that, like that doesn't get any traction at all. You found the sense of humor. Yeah, it was hiding under here. I found it. Okay, so let's see. Did I issue the final verdict over here for the week? Okay, 22,460. Let's average out. So average, we would be 30,000 per year. Terrible. But if you had 200,000 to split between the two of these, you would have a decent. It would be 22,000 plus 21,000 this week. Averaging these out, this is going to average out to about the same, I think. Actually, oh, it's lower, 20,000, because we had one week that was like really horrible. Okay. So if you had 200,000 in these, this would produce you like a $50,000 annual income. And as some say, it's all about the income, right? Okay. So our average dividend, I'm going to make a very advanced forecast on what the dividend's going to be next week. So I'm going to make this advanced forecast called basically averaging out the prior weeks. And so that is going to be 26 and a half cents So that's my advanced forecast for what the dividend is going to be next week. And it's going to be a shortened trading week because 4th of July we're closed. The market's closed. And so my advanced forecast for XDTE is going to be 20.5 cents, which is almost what we got this week. So can't go wrong with that. Predicting the future based on the past. You can never go wrong with that. That's kind of like what economists do, right? Okay. Oh, I need to update some formula here. Let me do this here. Let me try to figure out because sometimes like my brain works better some days than it does others. Like there's some days that I feel like the brain's literally on the shelf over there and I didn't like break it out for the day. But when I do these formulas, typically the brain's working better. So let me see. I have a sum of Q20 to Q29. Oh, so what I need to do is move this guy down here. And then I'm dividing by U20. Oh, yeah. So U20 is the original share price. So, okay, we're up to 8.58% total dividend return. That's what that formula is. Okay, this one I also need to update. And my ADHD, I've forgotten to update the last 5 weeks over here. See, I need a commenter to keep me on track. Okay, so we need Q17. And then we're dividing by U3 because that is the share price. Okay, so we're at a 5.81% uh, return in this one and 8.58% return in this one. So let me stop the share over here. Let me put my awesome face on the full screen for you all. Let's see here. Oh, my true serenity says I'd watch the 401k videos. Perfect. I have to start doing them again. Since he'll watch, I have to start doing them again, assuming it's a he. Do you really feel compounding after 100J? I'm not sure what 100J is. You mean 100K? Well, for that, got to do it. Got to do it. Shoot, where's the Discord? I need like a sound bar. Oh, that thing's so loud. Hold on a second. Oh, here is she. Sorry. Well, that person that has the Dallas Cowboys cheerleader is a he. So I have to double check sometimes. What's the total return of the on the year? Can't see since I'm old. Well, that's why I zoomed in, because you're old. I zoomed in so you could see it better. So if you still can't see it, I don't know what to do. Um, anyway, are you asking like my total return? Well, so you'd be really shocked about this, but like my main 401k, since the bottom of the market, you probably like wouldn't even believe this, but I'm up 50% in my main 401k since the bottom of the market and the beginning of January 2023. So that account is kicking ass. Okay, where were we here? Wow, I've been going for 20 minutes. You all know how to keep me entertained. Well, it's like a two-way street. Okay, let's see. That's what I really do it for. See, somebody said I do this for the money. I really do it for the entertainment. Anyway, oh, I know what we had to do here because he said 100J. Let me see here. This never gets old. So we are supposed to have a fund manager on tonight, by the way. Let me see something here. Oh, we got a funny. This band members thread is out of control. I'm just showing Discord for a second here. Okay, since he said J instead of K.
Dissector, you are an idiot.
Had to do it. Had to do it. Okay, let's see. Oh, bonus content. I'm going to show you all in Seeking Alpha. Let's look at the total return since the old guy here missed it. Sorry. I gotta be after your rant in the Discord, I can't go easy. You don't go easy on me, so oh well. Gotta sharpen the blade, you know. Criticism is good. But for some reason here lately, I don't know if it's like just the way things are going, like a lot of people are piling on as far as criticism. So it's haven't endured all this for a while. Okay, where am I? Let's see. Seeking Alpha. Oh, here we go, Seeking Alpha. I have to actually click on the window. Why does everybody keeps asking me who? The Who, like the band? Well, I would say it if I knew it. but you know better than that. It seems like it. Like here in the last few months, it's like I thought I wasn't really bullied that much as a kid. That may come as a surprise to some of you, but like I feel like what am I back in high school now? Like just I get it. I've got a heckler on YouTube. I've got some of you in the audience, and then in real life too. I'm like, what am I doing? Scooby Dooby Doo. Scooby Snack. I'm about to have a Scooby Snack, by the way, after I'm done with you all. I've got to get the cranky guy what he wants here. Okay, so I'm looking at the wrong fund. Surprise. Just when you thought there was hope. Okay, QDTE. And then let's see, XDTE. Those are the right ones, right? I didn't get my note cards. I don't have a teleprompter either. Okay, let's see here. So price return is minus 1.6 cents. And you know what? I think you know what it is. You just want me to say because you probably are not a big fan of these funds, which I don't blame you. These funds do get nice dividends and stuff. I don't personally own them like I do Yield Max. Okay, let's see. But the total return is positive, 7.01%. Oh, so check this out. You know what? So the dividend return is higher because the funds are slightly in the negative. If you look at the calculation I made in the spreadsheet, it was very close, but that was just in that one cell where the dividends are. That was just the dividend return. 7% for QDTE, 5.88% for XDTE. All right, so I'm done with you all for now until who is the F manager? The F manager. Yeah, so there it is. You know what? Let me just show you all. I don't even know the guy's name off the top of my head. I think I've got early dementia kicking in or something. Um, did they even get back to me? I should go ahead and actually schedule that. It's Austin, which is funny. So these people reached out to me. So the person, when I went on their website, the person that wants to come on looks a little bit like me, which is kind of funny. I don't know if it's the same guy that's coming on, but and I don't know much about this company at all, so I'll probably just let them talk. Anyway, all right, that's it for now. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join Discord. And please tell all your friends, neighbors, relatives, lovers, haters, all of the above to subscribe to me. Need to keep this thing growing. And we will see you all probably at 5. All right, look forward to it. Take care. Bye.